Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At yun na nga, post ng Showtime sa kanilang FB page. Siguradong cool na cool ang weekend natin dahil makakapanting natin ang freshest love team, Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco. Kita-kits ngayong Sabado dito lang sa It's Showtime. So ang chismis nga sa amin ay mas maagang iti-tape yung pagdating ng Barda. So hindi siya live, guys. Ay, sana makapanood din ako. Gusto ko na sila makita ng personal ulit. Anyway, Barda updates. Here are 2 days of data for Moving Closer music video by Philippe featuring Barda. We hit the first million on YouTube. Let's go stream more. At yun na nga, meron tayong 817,000.2 views sa TikTok. Meron tayong 301,000 views sa Facebook at walang data sa Instagram. At ito post ni Kenzie sa kanyang Instagram, smile lang ang caption. At next ay pictorial nga ni David for Universal Records, I Think I Love You. Yan ang cute na si David with the lollipop. At ito yung pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya. At yan na nga yung paglabas niya yata. Ayan sila ma'am dyan. At next ay post ng Universal Records Philippines. Gulat siya eh. Go stream David Licauco's I Think I Love You on all major streaming platforms. Hashtag I Think I Love You. Hashtag ITILY David. Hashtag David Licauco. Hashtag OPM.
Sikap ko po.
Ayun na nga, napaka-cute na si David. At ito nga, change nga ng Universal Records sa kanilang profile pic to David Licauco. Yan nga, napaka-cute. At next naman ay TikTok post ni Fabregas Cell. Kung talaga siya sa TVE, ganun talaga mukha niya sa personal. TV pala yon. Siya nakabili sa sasakyan ni boss, David Licauco. So mukhang nagbenta si David ng sasakyan at binenta nga doon sa lalaki. Ayun. I'm not sure kung yan yung sports car niya, guys, no? Correct me po if I'm right. And yun nga si Kenzie na lagi niyang kasama kahit saan siya magpunta. Parang anino ni David. At ito nga yung suot niya nun sa parang kahapong lamay na may interview siya, no? So yun yung suot ni D. At next ay TikTok video. Totoo pala na sobrang approachable niya at ang ganda. Super bait. Haha. Gets na kita. David Licauco. Hoho. Nakita ko na rin sila both in person. Ayun na, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. At gusto ko yung mga outfitan ni Barbie na ganyan. Yung yung parang lumalabas ng konti yung waistline pagka tumaas yung kilikili, ganon. Ayun na, napaka-pretty. So kahapon pala to, my friends and few office mates know that I'm Barda fan and it was an unexpected day for me after all the stressful days that I got to see Barbie. Super pretty and kind. Ayan yung sa business ni Michuliba.
Touch mo lang. And then
Taray, coffee lessons from Benmar. Yes.
The stuff talaga that you learned from him. Woo! Ibang klase!
Grabe talaga yung tawa ni Barbie, natural. Ayan na nga, the cute Barbie Fortesa with her APC cap. Ayan na nga, sa Sugar High, Barbie Fortesa and Michuliva, My Barbie. Uy, wow. At ito nga yung suot ni David nung nagbenta siya ng kotse. Hi, Med Licauco's week. Seeing the country's greatest para psychologists for the last time. Nice meeting some old and new friends in the psychic and healing community. Plus bonus selfie with Sir Jimmy's grandson, David Licauco. Ayan na nga, napaka-cute na si David. At yan, sa lamay ni Sir Jaime Licauco. At may interview nga, guys. Let's watch this.
Kagabi ang last night ng burol ni Jaime Licauco, isang kilala sa field ng parapsychology sa Pilipinas at known siya para sa kanyang theory on the inner mind. Siya rin ang lolo ni David Licauco ng Kapuso Network at sa eksklusibong panayam, ibinahagi ni David kung paano niya nalaman ang pagkawala ng kanyang lolo at ang namimiss niya kay Jaime Licauco.
So, hi David.
Hello.
Of course, again, my condolences and prayers to you and your family. Can you tell me about your how was your relationship with your lolo Jaime? What were your favorite bonding activities with him?
Well, apart from the our family dinners, I would visit him at his house. Would ask him about Power of the Mind, to be specific, dahil very much into ganyan. Like, parang I feel like we don't use our brain that much.
I mean, ito its full capacity.
Diba?
Yes.
So, yun. So I've been asking him about meditation, how we can be in that meditative state for a long time. It's because, like I'm in business, I'm in showbiz. Sometimes it gets to taxing. So how do I stay in that meditative state? Yeah. So he would give me advice. He said that can't happen for a long period of time kasi we get tired. So, yun. So, na-accept ko na, okay, siguro hindi nga kaya the whole day. You are in that state. So, I give you the validation kasi medyo pinipilit yung self ko to be in that state. So, yun. On top of that, his life lessons, like about girls, about life, basically the next step, the next chapter of my life, get a son.
So, where were you when you learned that he passed on already?
Sa car. On the way to work.
So,
Hala, napaisip si David noon. Saan kaya siya nung panahon na yun, charot?
so last question, what will you miss the most about your lolo kay?
His intelligence, his wisdom. I wish I had more time to, ask him about the power of the mind, being present, and I also wish na sana I experience ko yung past life seminars niya. Hindi ko nagawa dahil at that time I wasn't interested yet. Kasi I was still, happy-go-lucky kid back then. So, yeah.
Thank you.
At next nga ay may content shoot nga si Jorel Balmores sa Kuya Korea. At next ay post ng David Truths na nilike ni Tita Eden. Ayan, David Licauco natagpo ang nagpapabebe kay Barbie Fortesa. At yung isa naman nilike ni Tita Eden ay Let's Keep the Kilig Going stream the music video on all platforms. Another na nilike ni Tita Eden is David's fanboy moment. Ayan yung lilingon niya si Philip do sa stage. At last, eto grabe to. I think I love what? Yung post ng David Troops. Yung yung I think I love you siya kay Barbie. Nilike ni Ilan. Uy, grabe. Botong-boto, charot. Yan din kasi yung pinaka-favorite ko sa mga ginawa nila David doon sa close-up watch party.
Natutunan mo din bang mahalin yung pag-arte? Yung pag-arte. You think you love
Kilig na kilig si David. Tapos si Barbie na wala sa focus. Grabe, kinilig din. Ay, naku Barbara, ikaw na mahabang hair. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Bardo updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!